So yo guys, what's up? It's man, it's from Cheek back in the video guys. So in this video we are going to see that how we can run the car Linux on our Android phone without using any Limbo emulator and without downloading a large chunks of data. So we need to install some apps on the first app we need to install is this one, the Android Next. You can see the logo icon. I'm showing it to you down here. You can see it. It's in a white color with the penguin on the shape. I'll put the link in description for that one. And then also the another which we need to download is Termux app, and the next one we need to download is a Vnc Viewer app. It can be any app, there's no specific app. So first we need to go and click on Android Next, and here the Android Next will get open, and for here we can see we just need to avoid that, so there's no problem. And here we see the Kali Linux icon. Click on it and we need to click on install down there, and then we need to go to xfce there. So if you click on xfce, it will just copy the command. We need to go and run it on Termux, and it will take a few time for the car Linux to run on your phone depending on the internet connection, and it is just 80 MB. So I will let put the music and fast forward the installation process guys. Guys, now as it has been installed, you need to go and type the command which I will type it. It is dot slash start and then an hyphen and kali.sh. You need to type that one, and I will just show you in a minute. You need to just type on that one, that hyphen and kali.linux in there, hyphen kali.sh. You need to type on that, and once you type that one and click enter, you will see it will root at localhost, which means you have successfully installed Kali Linux on your phone. And then we need to give the command vnc server hyphen start. So when we put that command, and it will start the vnc server, and we need to go into vnc server, and here you can see, and you need to give the localhost address and the username as per follow, but the address should be the same guys. So now this is how the Kali Linux is now installed on a vnc server. So now we need to just go and start this one up here. We need to go and start this one, and now you can see the Kali Linux running on your phone guys. So if you like this video guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel guys. It's my Shani signing off. Bye bye.